everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called How to Catch a Mermaid. Last week I saw a mermaid. It's not something I pretend. I'd really like to catch her so she could be my friend. We'd have to be the best adventures I'd learned the mermaid's way. We toured her to Mermaid City. We'd swim for days and days. Hey you two, come follow me. I need you on my team. The water's where we need to plan our mermaid catching scheme. How do you catch a mermaid? You didn't learn this in school. We'll need to build a gentle trap. Let's start near the tide pool. First, I have this jewelry box. She'll love this bait. I bought her. She can't resist a treasure chest. Oh no, it's in the water. Well, mermaids love bright, shiny things. A frown will catch her eye. We'll lure in this new trap. Then we'll net it with the fly. For seaweed lasso, catch the crown. We'll need a different plan. Let's put a sparkly necklace down inside the giant clam. She switched the necklace with a rock to stop the clam from snapping. Now she has another prize. We need some better trapping. So she lassoed down our own and hid the seaweed and swam too fast for us to catch. Oh, when will we succeed? Now let's try to switch it up and play some funky beats. Maybe that will draw her in. Oh no, there are sharks! Retreat! Swim away! We escaped from all the sharks. That was a scary scene. But now we can get up to our game with this cool submarine. This submarine has robot arms to catch our fishy lass. But this mermaid can't be caught. She is really too fast. It's time to pull out her stops, but we'll have to be quite sneaky. But she heard our trap from far away. The treasure chest was creak. Oh no, look out, the sharks are back. We're doomed, what can we do? These are all our traps and bait. Without some help, we're through. The mermaid comes to save the day. She made a trap to save us. She scares the sharks and scoops us up. She's really courageous. Hooray! We're safe and back on land. 3 cheers for our mermaid. We'll miss her smart and clever tricks. We wish we could have stayed. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!